Hi friends, in today's video tutorial we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So before we start with the drafting, let us spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing carefully, I feel that the best way to start this drafting would be to begin in the front view. So we'll first change the view to front view and then begin by drawing this circle of 30 dia followed by the outer circle of 30 radius. Then we'll draw using the P line command one line quadrantial to this circle extending downwards to a distance of 42 units. Then extend it to the left at a distance of 160 units, then upward at a distance of 12 units. Then using the tracking point of the quadrantial to the circle, we'll click over here and finally draw a line quadrantial to the circle. So our this profile would be ready. In order to draw this profile, we'll just draw one line from here and at a point tangential to this circle. Then we'll draw one rectangle which would be 160 units by 12 units. Then we go into the isometric view and we'll first press pull this to a thickness of 76 units. Then we'll press pull this to a thickness of 12 units and the lower rectangle will press pull it to a thickness of 24 units. Then we'll move this at a distance of 32 units from here, and the rectangle we'll move it the midpoint of the rectangle to the midpoint of this and copy that surface to the midpoint of this. Finally we'll use the union command and join all of them and our geometry would be complete. So let me show you how we'll proceed with the drafting. We first change the view to front view, then we click on the home tab and we select circle, center diameter, click anywhere over here and draw a circle of 30 diameter. Then again we'll select circle, center radius, same center point and the radius is 30 and press enter. Then we use the P line command, press enter and draw one line from here extending downwards to a distance of 42 units, and we'll turn the ortho on and to the left at a distance of 160 units and upward at a distance of 12 units, and finally we'll use the tracking point system and click over here and join it at a point quadrantial to the circle and press enter. Then we'll trim the unwanted part of the circle. Then we'll draw one rectangle. So we use rectangle, click over here. The length of the rectangle is 160, press tab and the height is 12. Finally we'll draw one line extending from here, turn the ortho off and tangential to this circle. Press enter. Then we go into the isometric view and now we use the press pull command. We click on this entity and extrude it to a thickness of 12 units, press enter, and this unit extrude it to a thickness of 76 units, press enter, and the lower rectangle extrude it outward to a distance of 24 units. Press escape and just change this to shades of gray, and you can turn the grid line off. Now we'll move this at a distance of 32 units. So we type move and we click on this entity, enter, specify the base point and move in this direction. Ensure that your ortho is on. So we want to move in this direction at a distance of 32 units, and we no longer need this profile, so delete it. Then select this, move, and midpoint of this, join it to the midpoint of this, and then CO for copy, and select this object and copy from the midpoint of this to the midpoint of this. Press escape, and finally we use the union command and select the entire geometry, press enter, and it's combined into one. Now our geometry is complete. And finally you can use the orbit tool and view the geometry in all possible directions and see your geometry. And finally our geometry is complete. So friends, in this video tutorial we have seen how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.